What's up guys, another day here at Tri-Speed working on Gilbert's STI. We're installing Fortunato 500 series coils, so stick around. Alright, so this install should be pretty straightforward. Basically, there's just two bolts here on the McPherson part. We gotta take off the brake line, and ABS sensors here, and then the brake line, we just gotta zip tie it out of the way. And then on the top here, there's 3 bolts, and that's pretty much it. We should be able to bring down the lower control arm and then slide the bolts out and then bring the whole strut and spring out in one go. Alright, so Gilbert got one side done. Let me show you how it looks. Nice and clean. Got the top, or it's installed. Yeah, look how sick that looks. And then preload's already adjusted, and the last thing we'll do is adjust height. So that's gonna take a while. That was easy. Alright, so now we're working on the rears. Basically, from what it looks like, I think you take off just the lower control arm, sway bar end links, and then the 2 bolts on the top in there, and that should come out pretty easily. And obviously the same side on this one here. Alright, so we got one of the rears done. Looks like that. Nice and clean. And then it helps if you have your interior gutted, so you can see there's just 2 bolts there, and then your adjustment is there. Alright, so after taking many lunch breaks and drink breaks and stuff like that, we finally finished. We got all 4 corners done. Took a couple adjustments, a little bro science. Let me show you how we do it. When I mean bro science. So now the car is low, or like on the ground itself. You take your finger, and then you try to see how much gap. And right here we got 1 finger nice and snug. And now on the other side, I think we're the same deal. Oh yeah, that works. That is cool. And then the rears, I think we're at 1 or maybe, oh yeah. There's a little rake in the front, so the rear is like kind of loose 1 finger.
But it's not low enough where it's like stupid low because
and then, same here. So I know it doesn't seem kind of proper and technical by using the finger method, but the idea behind it is, the idea behind coilovers is that you want to make sure that you actually do get alignment afterwards, and then corner balance. And then you pretty much adjust the weight from each corner to corner with the driver in the car. And that's how you get, proper weight distribution. So that's something Gilbert will do in the future, but for now, just bro science, fingers, and just, eyeballing it works, and yeah, we're walking like that. So we'll do a test drive, make sure nothing rubs, and we'll go from there. Looks good, dude. Alright, we're on our way for a test drive. We're gonna mob down Gale Boulevard on our way to 7-Eleven and get some drinks because we're thirsty. It does feel a little more stiff, doesn't it?
yeah.
See if you scrape on the ditch here. Straight up. You just mob on it. Hit it. It's not like slammed or anything, but through. Check it out, guys. Look. Oh, damn. I'll pop the hood once it's up, but he's coming in for an oil change. That thing looks sick, dude. Man, I like these things a lot.
The vibrations moved your metal.
Thing's sick.
So I'm not running power steering.
Wait, so what engine is this again?
The EJ20K.
Sick, dude. What year is that?
Version 4, 98.
Damn. What year is the car?
01.
Oh, wow.
01. Clean title.
But this is, like, that's the STI motor, right?
Yeah.
So people on YouTube
Yeah,
know.
Matching trans. It has the RA, the STI RA trans 4.4.
Dang, this is cool, man. That's a wrap, guys. We had a long day. We got Gilbert's thing all set up. It's a little too low. We did a test drive. We're rubbing in the rears. My heavy in the front is not helping that, but we're gonna move it up just a bit and then corner balance it later on down the road. Did an oil change on our buddy. We got that done. So stay tuned for more. We're working on an S2000, so you'll see that video on that later. Peace out, guys.